welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy, and again I'm back for another haul video, and it's another unboxing. I have mentioned before from my previous video that I'm going to do another unboxing video because I got another item from Nordstrom. So my previous video I unboxed the duffel in black, and I mentioned there that I ordered another one in different colors. So here it is. Finally, I'm going to unbox it and we'll see what color will be for my second duffel. So you ready? If you want to see what color my duffel bag is, keep on watching. There you go. Last time, when the packaging, there's no tape. It was just like secured box. But this time, there's a tape. So let's do the unboxing. Hopefully it's not as bad as before, the difficulty. And we know now how to unbox it. This one is not that difficult as the previous one. There you go, Coach bag. Came with a dust bag. Ooh, I like it. And you can see the color now. Hold on, let me put this one to the side. There. So here it is. It's in a dust bag and in a plastic. Let's see the status of this bag, if it's like good or scratch up. So hopefully not, because I don't want to return it. So move it from the plastic. The dust bag from the previous duffel was big. This one is not. You can see that. But there you go. There you go. This is the Coach Duffle in Saddle. Oh, looks so nice. But looking some scratches here, and here. So the leather has like textured, not really textured, but you can see the lines. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like how do you call that? What do you call that? I don't know, but you can see different texture. It's not scratch up, it's just different texture to it, which I like because the shoulder strap is adjustable. And the stitching, look at the stitching. I think this is still goldenrod. And the hardware is brass. It has a tassel. I like. So let's look at the inside. I guess this is still brand new. Not return bag because it still has that hang tag that's wrapped. So the hang tag, saddle, and at the back it's Bordeaux. Yeah, that's the Bordeaux color. The inside we still have the wrapping and paper. I guess this is brand new, not been returned. So it has that Coach care card on the slip pocket that is a snap closure. Let's remove this one. There you go. And the other side has the Coach grid, and then zipper pocket. The tag here still wrapped. Oh, zipper pull is still wrapped. And this one is where you hang your like keys. Oh, this is so nice. So nice. I like it. Says there genuine Glovetanned leather. Look at the contrast stitching. Look at that. I'll pull the black one so I'll compare it. Put that one in here. And this is the black. The black is more slouchy than the saddle one. So These are the two pegs side by side. Black one is more slouchy. This one is still more structured, but in time it will slouch. One of the comments on the duffle that in time, if you use it more, then it will become soft. It will soften up. This one, I would like to see it soften up. I really like this color too. So this is what it looks like. It's on the middle setting. This one is also middle setting. I like it to be more like a slouchy bag. This is nice. There you go. The saddle by itself for now. This is what it looks like. And let's put it to the short setting. I like it because it's comfy on your elbow on this side. Like this, it's flat. All your stuff will be on the bottom, so it's still comfortable. I like it. I really like it. Not really like, I love it. I love it. This is nice. Leather smell. The black smells more leather than this one. This one doesn't really have that, like the good old leather smell. Overall, this is the reveal for the number 2 duffel bag, and it's a keeper. And this one too is a keeper. Then I'm going to find, or I'm going to hunt a pebbled one. I'm looking at the ruby red, flax, and chili. I think hopefully we'll get a good deal, like a 70% off, because this one and this one are part of the 70% off from Nordstrom that I snagged. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you again on our next video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye. Pulled on the dust bag for the saddle duffel, which is this one, and then the black duffel. So this is the black duffel. Look how big it is, and look how small this one is. Look, really, wow. Look at that bag inside. It would fit, yeah, it would fit, but the top is sticking out compared to the black duffel. Has a lot of room. Look at that. Compare those two. Different people who pack it, different dust bag. I thought it will be all the same for like which bag, like duffel, this comes with this dust bag, and this duffel will come with its own dust bag, but they will be the same size because they're both duffels. But I guess it doesn't happen that way.